Bobby Bones, and I'm here with my co-host Amy. Let's go to Jay going first.
We world premiered his I Was Jack, You Were Diane song this morning. And we found out that he has been living in a tiny house ever since he sold his home a few months ago.
Reba is set to announce this year's ACM nominees. She will announce top categories tomorrow morning on CBS this morning. The 53rd Annual ACM Awards will air live on CBS from MGM Grand Garden Arena in Vegas on April 15th.
Maren Morris is still in recovery since she got her wisdom teeth out just before her wedding.
Yeah, I see she's watching a lot of the OC and tweeting. Kind of inconvenient to get your wisdom teeth out right before the wedding, huh?
What? No, sounds amazing. You got that final dress fitting, get your wisdom teeth out, don't eat.
I bet that's not why she did it.
I know,
That's
I
funny
know.
that your mind goes there.
She doesn't, first of all, she doesn't need it, and I don't encourage it, but every girl, you know, looks to trim up. I feel like a good move on her part.
Like getting the flu. Go lick a bunch of doorknobs 3 weeks before your wedding. All right, for more from Inside Nashville, hit up BobbyBones.com. Or follow me on Twitter and Instagram, Mr. Bobby Bones.
Our 2018 iHeartRadio Music Awards, back for the 5th straight year. Smoothing your way there. Performances by Ed Sheeran, Cardi B, Maroon 5, Camila Cabello, Charlie Puth, Bon Jovi Innovator Award honoree, Chance the Rapper, co-hosted by DJ Khaled and Haley Baldwin. The only award show that celebrates your love of music. From your favorite iHeartRadio station to our iHeartRadio app. Keep voting for your favorites at iHeartRadio.com. And they'll all be there to celebrate. Live on one stage at three television networks. TV, something that you love, performed in LA. Keep listening to
The second thing that sales people and users, biggest